Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. Helps me out though. We appreciate it. If you like the video, like the content, hit that thumbs up. If you guys see anything that you don't like, you do like, hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you really think. Give me suggestions. I'm open to it. I'm still learning and I'm willing to learn however I can, so I'd appreciate it. So today we're getting this thing for race day, so let's get into it. Alright, so like I said, we are in the shop. We are getting this thing ready to go to the race tomorrow. It's been torn apart for the last almost 3 months, so a lot of this we've already went over. In the last video, we've tightened up a lot of stuff. We have added one new thing, the anti-roll bar, so be a little different off the line first time down the track. So fingers crossed I've got it set right and then we go straight down. We'll find out tomorrow. Anyway, we're just, out here doing our normal thing, tightening up bolts, going over the car, making sure I didn't forget anything, and just making sure it's clean and it's ready to go. So we will see you probably tomorrow at the track and get into some racing. So see you in a bit. All right, as you can see, we're here at the track, set up, ready to go. I do things a little bit different because I know you guys don't want to hear me talk. You just want to see racing. So we're going to try a few things different today, but we're getting ready for qualifying. So we'll see you up at start line. But with that said, this thing is going to act a little bit different up on the start line. Since we have a new anti-roll bar, I have no idea what it's going to act like, so hopefully I've got it set up right, and we're going to find out. I adjusted the wheelie bars to where I think they need to be, but we got 2 rounds to figure this car out today before we get into some serious racing, so let's see what we get. All right, qualifying's in the book. I didn't know what to expect. I don't think the car pulled the front wheels at all. She just squatted and went. So it was awesome. It went straight down the track. So my nerves are settled with that. So that's a plus. So the anti-roll bar is doing what it's supposed to be doing, and it was awesome. So the light wasn't that great, but it would work. So we got a 057 for reaction time. Got a 132 60 foot, which is normal. And I actually ran pretty quick today for as hot as it is. I ran a 6.00 with an 8 at 113.5 miles an hour. So we're going to get this thing buttoned up and we'll be ready for round 1. All right, here we go for round 1. 599 at the last minute. I had 598 because it had cooled off, but I changed it. Ran a 607, but I think that's because I wasn't all the way into the throttle, which sucks. I ran an 047 light, which is pretty good considering I did an 054 the first time. Did a 135 60 foot, so I slowed down 3/10 there, so that's what killed me. And I ran a 607 at 102.96. So we're going to get the car all buttoned up and we're going to get ready for round 2. All right, round 2 coming up. A 602, ran a 603 with a 4, which was spot on, but my 011 red light off the tree killed me. It's my fastest 60 foot I've had all day at 131.7. Ran a 603 with a 4 at 112.56. So we're going to start backing up and we're done. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you have not liked or subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button.